lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added.
Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today I'm going to do a chicken chasseur, or it's called as well hunter's chicken. And for this we have I've got some chicken thighs. What I'm going to do, I'm going to trim the excess skin off of there, so they're going to be really nice. White wine, salt, pepper, some passata, some spring onions, really nice chunky ones. Got some baked potatoes, thyme and tarragon, Savoy cabbage, some butter, mushrooms, flour, chicken stock and garlic. So what I'll do, I'll start getting this all prepped up, and I'll explain what I'm doing in the captions. So, see you soon.
You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, feel so lucky, oh, oh, oh. Still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing
2 hours later.
down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Okay, so there we go. Chicken chasseur or hunter's chicken. With obviously I've got some baked potato with some cheese on top. It's done with flour, some salt, black pepper, chicken thighs, olive oil, butter. I used big chunky spring onions, button mushrooms, garlic, thyme, white wine, chicken stock, passata, tarragon and some cabbage. And that sauce is really, really tasty. I tasted some of it and it's spot on. So I'm going to give this to Mrs. Urban and I'll catch you on the next one and see what we come up with.
Sometimes we simply fall out.
It's really, really nice. I'll catch you later, guys. Thanks a lot. And stay safe. Bye.
To your loving without, beautiful woman. And all the things I didn't say, there's wrecking balls inside my brain. Standing tall with all my faith, there's empty voices in my head, and they will always be